Bangkok, Thailand, Chinatown. So this one, let me tell you what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna be playing 75 seconds of music so you can kind of seeing a preview of what this Chinatown street looks like. And I do film streets, so I'm not actually filming all of Chinatown, I'm filming a street. And the map of that street is behind me, so you can find it yourself if you so desire. And I'm going to then do the walk and talk, where I go through the camera and just kind of go through the whole experience and say what I know or what I observe while walking through. Anyways, let's get right into it. First one is the music, and then stay tuned for after 75 seconds and the walk and talk. Bangkok, Thailand, Chinatown. Mangkon Road, and we're gonna walk down. And we're gonna go down. Here's Dragon Cafe. That looks pretty cool. We're gonna walk directly down this road, which is also named after the train station, and we'll just see what's on here. We're in Bangkok, and we're in Chinatown. The station. There's a Starbucks over there, huh? So the station that we came out of is directly down that way, just a little ways, and it has the same name, Mangkon. So we're going to show you a little bit of Bangkok's Chinatown. There we go. So we're going to check this out. Right off the bat, right at the corner, we have a Chinatown establishment. It looks kind of cool. You see they got dumplings. It's kind of a nice little restaurant too. Nice start of the street. Kind of a colonial looking buildings over there. So we are gonna walk down this street. It's kind of a little bit too sunny to film, to be honest. It's too bright. But we'll do our best. Lots of Chinatown references. As you can see. So I'm just gonna
give you a little taste of it anyways. I actually got ice. It's so hot today, that's amazing. I got ice there. Looks like you can buy souvenir shops stuff as well. It's the year of the dragon right now, so this is all dragon t-shirts. Fast moving traffic. More Chinese. Let's try to go across here. Go on this side of the street, get into the shade a little bit. And we have a temple coming up over there. Huh. Those are all chickens here. Got some little alleys. It's funny to see all the Chinese. I was just in mainland China not too long ago. And we got a Wat over there. There it is. I got so much something from Japan there too. Okay, let me see if I can get over there to that Wat. Let's see what this says. Here's an English. A lime cement, narrow tall building, tired roofs. So that has a little bit of information about it. Yeah, let's go on in. Just take a quick browse anyways. Okay, so I think we're gonna keep on going. That's kind of an interesting apartment. It's kind of small, narrow, and then you got this big balcony up on top. Okay, so we're gonna, I can see this one thing that looks kind of interesting, which is straight ahead. There's a giant pagoda kiosk thing over the top of that building. And on top of that yellow building. It's kind of interesting. So anyways, it's kind of giving you a taste of Chinatown's, Bangkok's Chinatown. Notice they got that everywhere. We're gonna keep on going down. That's interesting. They got a big dragon in the painting up there. It's also the year of the dragon, so I don't know if that's always there or if they just painted that for this year. I kind of think if it was for this year, it'd be they might have a 2024 reference. That's really cool. So I believe we're still on our street here. We're gonna go down that way. Check out these old buildings. Okay, so we are going to try to go across and then we're going to go down that alley, and I think that alley continues down the same way. We'll see in a moment. A lot of activity on the street. And it looks like now we can go. So we're still in our same street. These balconies up there. And we're gonna navigate down. This street looks more manageable. More pedestrian street-ish. Gyoza. I did want to get into Chinatown, but now I kind of wish I was seeing more Thai foods because I already live in Macau, China. Let's see. It's kind of cool. Got lots of snacks in here. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down. Okay. So I'm just going to get on to the end of the street. There's some interesting buildings around this area. Cheese. Okay, so I think we're going to come to an ending here. There are some more small alleys throughout. And I'm going to turn back around. Hello. They're doing alms. Okay, so that was our target street right there. It's another alley, but it looks a little too crowded. I think I'm going to come to an ending here. So anyways, that's a little slice of Chinatown. Wow, check out that building. Beautiful balconies. And on that note, we're going to end this video. So hopefully, hope you like that one.